In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to send WooCommerce order notification SMS to customers' mobile phones. If you're running an online store, you know how important it is to keep your customers informed about their orders. Sending SMS notifications is a great way to provide real-time updates, improve customer satisfaction, and enhance the overall shopping experience. Today, I'll walk you through the process of setting this up step by step. Don't worry if you're new to WordPress or WooCommerce. Just follow along, and by the end of this video, you'll have everything configured and ready to go. Let's get started. The first thing you'll need to do is log in to your WordPress admin dashboard. This is the central hub for managing your website, and from here, we'll be working on setting up the SMS notifications. Once you're logged in, take a look at the menu on the left-hand side of the screen. This is where you'll find all the options for managing different aspects of your website. Next, hover your mouse over the option labeled Plugins. You'll see a submenu appear with several options. From this submenu. Click on Add Plugin. This will take you to the Add Plugins page where you can search for and install new plugins for your website. Now, at the top of the Add Plugins page, you'll notice a search bar. It's usually located in the top right or top center area of the page. Click on this search bar so you can type in the name of the plugin we'll be using. In the search bar, type SMS notifications and then press Enter on your keyboard. This will bring up a list of plugins related to SMS notifications. From the search results, look for a plugin called Mini Orange OTP Login Verification and SMS Notifications. Once you find it, click on the plugin name to open its information page. Here, you'll see details about what the plugin does, its features, and user reviews. On this page, you'll also notice a button labeled Install and Activate on the right-hand side. Go ahead and click that button. At this point, WordPress will begin installing the plugin. This may take a few moments, so wait patiently while the installation process completes. Once the plugin is successfully installed, it will automatically activate, and you'll be ready to move on to the next step. After the installation is complete, return to your main plugins list. You can do this by clicking on Plugins in the left-hand menu again. In your plugins list, scroll down until you find the Mini Orange OTP Login Verification and SMS Notifications plugin. Once you locate it, look just below the plugin name and you'll see a link labeled Settings. Click on this to open the Mini Orange plugin dashboard. Within the plugin dashboard, you'll notice a panel on the left-hand side with different sections related to the plugin. Look for the section labeled Notifications and click on it. This is where you'll configure the SMS notifications for your WooCommerce store. Now, it's time to enable the specific order notifications you want to send to your customers via SMS. These could include updates for when an order is being processed, when it's completed, or other key order events. Simply select the notifications you'd like to enable by checking the appropriate boxes. Once you've made your selections, don't forget to save your changes. You can do this by clicking the Save Settings button, which is typically located in the top right corner of the page. Saving your settings ensures that your changes are applied and that the SMS notifications will function as intended. Finally, take a moment to confirm that your WooCommerce store is now set up to send SMS notifications based on the order events you enabled. You can test this by placing a test order or checking the notification logs if available. And that's it! You've successfully configured WooCommerce to send SMS notifications to your customers. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe.